Hi, today I'm going to show you a smart door concept. ठीक है तो actually this is the very good things. So every home should be this. Why? Because this is a fully locked, and this is my portable Alexa device. You can use any device, Google Assistant, Google Home, anything, and this can be controllable. See, if you tell Alexa, डोर को अनलॉक करो,
डोर के लिए आपका वॉइस कोड क्या है?
0000.
अनलॉक कर रही हूँ,
See,
जरा
this is
रुकिए।
opened. So this is a fully this can be work as a mobile app, and this is a Alexa device and the Google device, and this working very fine. So this is a little a small video. So thank you for watching.